Hello, people. No, now it's I'm. This is a resolution that I have that I'm going to only be like all happy and positive because yeah, there is enough of gloom. Yeah, I mean, it can be very overpowering. So, in fact, I'll say this. When I started watching this movie called Ram Prasad Ki Thervi, that is. The title basically means the 13th day of after a person passes away. So I would say, yeah, the first 13 minutes of this film are like you keep wondering why you're watching it because they take you through the rituals of how it is to organize a funeral. So it is very it's very disturbing in that sense. But this film that has been directed by Seema Pawwa, and it has like stellar artists like Nazruddin Shah. In fact, he is the Ram Prasad whose Thervi everybody, it's all about this whole extended family that attends the uh, funeral, and generally the kind of how situations play out after that. And it is so it is just it's like you're watching middle class India on the big screen. So like big screen, or rather it's on the small screen on your Netflix or whatever. But it's like they say no, kahani ghar ghar ki. So that is pretty much true. Like it's just so amazing. So it's like I mean, this is this kind of film that probably belonged to the era of when there were four brothers and two sisters in a family. So four brothers and their wives, all four of them, when they are at a same place, and then how the sister-in-laws act. And it's quite interesting. So really, I don't know, this is becoming a 2 minute long video, but really for me the performance that stood out was